See you tonight. Alexa, lock the door.
Don't forget, Grandma's coming tonight.
Yay, Grandma!
Hey Siri, is the door locked?
Your front door is locked.
Smart home wizardry? A lock. For locking stuff. Doors, mostly. From anywhere on the mother-loving planet. To create WiseLock, we harvested fossilized brontosaurus balls and combined them with locally sourced sustainable belly hairs of unicorns to forge a mythical, indestructible alloy. A metal so strong it has no name. Okay, fine, it's aluminum. Each lock is created with exquisite precision. Read a bedtime story each night and then rocked to sleep by the furry bosom of Fernando, our in-house blacksmith. WiseLock fits right over your existing hardware. It's like giving your lock a bionic arm. If you want to go on hiding metal keys under doormats and fake-looking hollow rocks, then go ahead. But with WiseLock, your phone becomes your key. It unlocks automatically as you approach your door and then locks when the door closes. With its built-in gyroscope, it knows when your door is open or when it's closed because it's smart. It's so smart, when it's not locking your door, it's rewriting the last season of Game of Thrones with an appropriate balance of shock value and sensible character development. And if you're out roaming the motherland on top of the last of the great American bison and need to unlock your door for a fellow pilgrim, well, saddle up, open the app, and unlock that door like a Jim Bridger boss. Because who cares if your ancestors crossed the plains and had to draw water from a frozen well just to boil a cup of oatmeal? Sometimes you don't feel like standing up and walking across the room, and that's okay. WiseLock. Now you're living in the future.
Did you leave the garage door open? Can your kids get in while you're at work? Is your dog inside but the dog walker is outside? Then it's time to teach your garage door opener some new tricks with Chamberlain's new Smart Garage Control. In just minutes, your existing garage door opener can get a major upgrade. Imagine controlling it from your phone, opening it and closing it from anywhere, getting alerts when others open it, and confirming it's truly closed anytime you have a doubt. Best of all, it's so fast and easy to get connected. Just download the MyQ app, plug in the Wi-Fi hub, and follow the app instructions for setup. Then mount the Wi-Fi hub. Eligible Amazon Prime members can get all their essentials delivered right inside the garage. Getting started with in-garage delivery is as simple as linking your MyQ account with Key. Open it, close it, let them in. And don't let anyone feel left out with one easy upgrade. Chamberlain's new Smart Garage Control.